Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I have a birthday gift from my friend JayKB. It came in the mail today. It was in a bigger box, and so I just pulled out the beautiful present. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that iridescence is just gorgeous. And she always makes the prettiest bows of anybody I've ever seen. So this is the box, but she also sent me another bottle of the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. She knows how much I love this, and it's no longer like readily available. I don't know where you would get it. She did send me a card, and I will let y'all see the front of it. Isn't that adorable? It's just so cute. So let's get into the box. Gorgeous. Oh, she's got all the little paper wormies. Okay, let's get in here and see. Oh, goodness. That's pretty. It's already pretty. Let me get this open. I didn't pre-open any of this, so y'all are getting first glances with me. Okay. Oh, she put these in a bag. She didn't want to get them all tangled up. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful... Oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful barrette. Got my pinks and purples and my moons with my little bling bling. Oh, it's got the little stars. It's like a galaxy. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Thank you so much. Okay, so that's that one. Let's go into here. Look at her packaging. This is just crazy. I just love how detailed she is. Oh my goodness. Alright, I love all these little bags. I always save these little bags. Oh my gosh, it's Dobie. He's my favorite. Oh my goodness. Oh, how adorable. Oh, I just love it. Isn't he adorable, you guys? If I can get the light to stop bouncing on it so bad. Oh my gosh. And it matches my bread. It's got some purple in it, so awesome sauce. Okay, so we got a barrette and a necklace, and now this looks like a keychain. Oh my goodness. Oh, isn't that adorable? It's a polish bottle with beads and clippies. I am so into things like this. Anything I can clip onto my stuff. Oh, got the stones. That is gorgeous. Okay, so my friend JayKB has opened up her Etsy shop. I will leave a link for it down below in case you're interested. She said she doesn't have a whole lot on there right now because she's having issues with taking pictures to post on there. But she is willing to take orders, like, you know, like custom orders for things. So I will definitely leave a link for her shop down below if you'd like to go check it out, get in touch with her and see if, you know, if she can make something you're interested in. So there you have it. So thanks for sharing my birthday gift with me, you guys, and, you know, taking a peek, see my talented friend and all her wonderful, I mean, I just can't even imagine. This is just cool, cool, cool. Look at all this cool stuff. So, and I want to thank you so much, JayKB, for sending me all these goodies. What a happy, happy birthday. I had to go to the dentist today. And, so, and I hate going to the dentist. I'm just letting y'all know I don't handle it well at all. So, to have this kind of totally makes up for the whole dentist appointment thing. So that is it for today. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.